This is the Motorola Atrix. Atrix is the world's most powerful smartphone. It's a big statement to make, and we'll justify that for you. We've got a dual-core NVIDIA processor on here with a total 2 GHz processing power, a gigabyte of RAM, dynamic DDR RAM, which is PC grade. We've got 16 gigabytes of onboard memory, and we have up to another 32 gigabytes expandable via SD card. We're running Android 2.2 Froyo on the device. It's very fast, very smooth. Take a quick look at some of the different items here, maybe in my photo gallery. You can see the speed with which the animations are very, very fluid. Zoom in, punch, zoom, very fast to go through. You can also see the speed with which the menus work, but that's not why we integrated such a powerful processor and RAM into this device. We can partner this with a number of very interesting features. With companion devices such as our laptop, I can quite simply plug in my Motorola Atrix here, and if I open up, we can quickly now see a computing application open up. We actually have a full Linux browser, a full Linux operating system on the device with a Mozilla 3.6 browser. When this powers up, you have a complete computing experience. Here we have the screen, the keyboard, the battery, a mouse, and the interface dock. Actually, on the back, we also have 2 USB ports, so you can plug in peripheral devices to extend the capabilities. But here we have a total mobile solution. We have the phone in its entirety here. You'd recognize the Android interface, 2.2 interface. You have all of the features on the phone which are capable there. And that includes even playing popular games, which, on this device you can actually play full screen. I'll just turn up the volume. Alright, so let's come to what the real power of this processor is used for. I mentioned that we have a full Linux operating system on here. We can use that in a number of ways. One is with the Mozilla Firefox browser, which is a hugely popular browser in the industry. This, linked with features like Adobe Air and Adobe Flash, provides hugely powerful capabilities on this computing platform. So we're just loading up a regular website here, BBC News. This is just working with the phone. There's no Wi-Fi in here, so Mr. Berlusconi is getting himself in trouble again. We can come in, see what's happening in Iran at the moment. And we can take a look at the BBC News from here in Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. This looks like Iran's parliament. You can see full video in line. This is a total computing experience. You can also link up to popular hosted websites such as Windows Live or iWork.com to edit documents on the cloud, or alternatively, having a full Linux operating system, you can incorporate applications actually onto the device also. You see this is running video all in line. So very, very powerful phone. Now, the other thing which we can use this for is as an entertainment center, which we can change the user interface to a more simple UI on device and come in, listen to music, watch videos, and you could equally link this up to your television at home. We can leverage the multitask to open up some music, plays slideshows simultaneously as well, etc. And also play video in high definition. This is really unlocking the power of Atrix and the processing power on device. This is a reason why we specified the device so highly. You can really see that deliver on all elements of the entertainment solution. And what's more, I can close this up, unplug it, hot dock, and you have the full phone. Now simultaneously we have the lap dock solution, but we also have the multimedia dock, which is a hugely useful solution. This could sit beside your television at home. You can plug in your Atrix. In the same way as I've shown you, we could plug in external hard drives with your content, be it music or pictures or video, and use Atrix as a multimedia hub for your home. We have standard HDMI output, so any computing peripheral that you own, you can link up either via Bluetooth or directly into the USB port. We also have charging and audio out on here. So this would naturally plug in here, and you would have your own remote control to be able to control that. In addition, we also provide keyboards and mouse if you wish, or you can use your own existing peripheral devices. So that is the Motorola Atrix. We consider as the world's most powerful smartphone.
When is this coming to the UK?
This is coming to the UK with Orange in Q2.
Is there a price point for it, SIM-free and
not as far as that I've been made aware of.
Okay, excellent, thank you.